Chalo, sir. So again, very good evening to everyone, and I hope I'm audible as well as visible, right? So here I am with the live mock solution for this week for CGL Tier 2. So this is the live mock that we are going to solve. 30 questions. Again, I'll try to complete with less than in 1 hour. Correct? Chalo, sir. So let's very quickly let us start, sir. Very quickly let us start. Right? First question based on probability. P of A given, B given, intersection. Acha, A union B, odds in favor. Acha, odds in favor. We'll go get to that later. First, let's figure this out. P of A union B is what, sir? That is PA plus PB and minus of P of A intersection B. We get this very easily from the Venn diagram. So just put the value 1 by 2 plus 1 by 13 minus 1 by 26. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 26, sir. So 13 plus 1, 14 by 26, which is equal to 7 by 13, sir. Meaning, sir. Out of every 13 times, 7 times this event will happen. This event means A or B event will happen 7 times. So how many times this event will not happen? So it will happen 7 times. So that means 6 times it won't happen. So odds in favor, it means how many times it will happen out of how many times it won't happen, sir. Odds against means how many times it won't happen by how many times it will happen. So the answer for this question will be 7 divided by 6, which is there in option number 1. Which is there in option number 1, sir. Very simple. Very simple question, sir. So again, moving on to the next one, sir. Chalo. A right circular cylinder has a total surface area given, height given, base radius. Sorry, sir. Total surface area. So that is 2 pi r into r plus h. Sorry, r plus. एक second. Yeah, r plus h. So cylinder has a 1232, sir. Height is 21. So just put it there. So this is 44 by 7 into r plus 21, which is equal to, this is equal to, sir, this is equal to 1232. So 44. So let's do it by 11 first. 11. 11 ones are 11. 11 ones are 11. 11 twos are this. 4 se kar lo, sir. 428s are this. So R, acha, that means we are getting R by 7 into R plus 21, which is equal to 28. So again, this will be a quadratic. Don't solve. Put values, sir. 7 hai na? So let's try with 7 because I think 7 se ho jayega, sir, because there is a by 7. There is a by 7. So if I put 7, sir, so 7 by 7 into 7 plus 21, you see it's definitely 28. So 7 is satisfying this equation. My answer is definitely option D. My answer is most definitely, sir, option D, which is 7 centimeters, sir. Which is 7 centimeters. 100%. Now again, next question, sir. Next question. A solid cone of radius this is melted into a hollow cylinder of uniform thickness. Okay. Height and inner radius of the cylinder is given. Find the difference between the cylinder and the cone. Okay. Solid cone of radius this. This is the radius. This is the radius, sir. This is the radius of the cone. Acha, melted and recasted, meaning volume same. So radius, the volume of the cone will be 1/3 into pi into r square. Radius is this 10.5. 10.5 means 100. So it is 21 by 2. R square. So this is 21 by 2, 21 by 2 into. Find the difference. Achha, sir, I don't know the height. I do not know the height of the cone. I'm taking h of cone. Okay. And sir, height and the inner radius is given of the cylinder. Okay. So cylinder is pi r square h. Achha. R square we will go differently. into h is how much? H is 10.5, meaning sir 21/2 once again. Now again, here it's a hollow cylinder. So meaning I need to take capital R square. So it is like this. So I need to take small r, capital R square minus small r square. It is like this, sir. We all know this is how a hollow cylinder looks. This is how a hollow cylinder looks. So capital R square minus small r square, I need to take capital R square. Acha sir. Inner radius is 6. This is small r, sir. Capital R will be what? So thickness is 7. So it will be 6 plus 7, that is 13. So r square, 13 square minus sir 6 square. This is my equation. 121/2, 21/2 cancels. Pi will also cancels. 3 7s are this. So HC becomes 2/7 into, this is 169 divide minus a 36. 133, sir. 133. 7 19s are this. So 19 2s are 38 is this. So again, they are asking the difference between the heights. One height is 38, another height is given as 10.5. So 38 minus 10 is 28. So my answer will be 27.5, sir. Sir, option number D, again, D for Delhi is the correct answer. Again, D is the correct answer, sir. You see, 30 minus this, it's very simple. It is very, very simple. Perfect. So just putting formulas and a few lines of calculation. That's all. That's all, sir. Chalo, next one. Next one, sir. Sir, again, just you need to put formula. You see, 30, 45, every value we know. Chalo, banate hain, sir. Sec 45, sorry. Sec 45 degree. Sec 45, sir, cos 45 is 1/√2. Sec 45, sir, √2. Square is 2, sir. Tan 30, it is 1/√3. So 1/3, sir, because everything is square. Plus, sir, tan 60, tan 30 cancels because tan 30 you can write as cot 60. So cot 60 and tan 60 cancel, so it will be 2, sir, plus. Sir, cosec 30, like sir, sin 30 is half, cosec 30 is 2, square is 4. And this is 1, sir, because tan 45 is 1, square is also 1. So again, this is 3 2s are 6 minus 5, 3 3 cancels, it will be 5, sir. Plus 2 plus 4 minus 1. So this is 5 and 6, 11 minus 1, sir, 10 will be the answer. Option number B. Option number B, 10 is the correct answer. You see, it was really very simple. It was really, really very simple. Next one, sir. Next one. A recipe requires, ये तो हम बाहर है ना. A recipe requires 3 types of flour. Okay, wheat, rice, and barley. Protein contains this. Okay, flours are mixed in this ratio. Okay, resulting in a achar, sir. Sir, use what? Use the weighted average concept. Let's see, 4 kg of this, 7 kg of this, d kg of this. So it will have, sir, we can, sir, again, ratio hai na, so we can do this. 4 into 10 plus 7 into 12 percentage I'm taking, okay? So like if you're like uncomfortable, take 400. 400, 10% of 400 will be 40, like this. Okay, so into, 1 second. So this will be plus, baton mein I have written my multiplication into, sir, 15 into d, sir, divided by, total is 4 plus 7 plus d, sir. That is equal to 13, sir. Why? Because they have given you 13% is the average. Calculate kar do, sir. 40, 84. 40 and 84 means, sir, 124 plus 15d. That is equal to 11 into 13, 143 plus 13d, sir. So 2d, 144, 20, meaning, sir, 19. So d is 19/2, meaning, sir, 9.5. Why 9.5? Because I have seen options are given in decimal. So 9.5, option number B is most definitely my correct answer. You see, just the simple concept of weighted average gave us my answer. Now the trick is, you have to be instinctive enough, you have to develop your intuition enough to like kind of have this thing, he said, acha, we can use like weighted average here. That's all. Quadrilateral, sir, 4 vertices are given. Now, I told you how to do it. How to do this, I told you. Sir, write the first vertices, like the vertex like this, 4, 2. Then 12, 5. Take a certain order, sir. Don't mix and match. 9, 1, 1, minus 1. Right? And whatever you have written in the first, again, you just need to repeat that. Nothing else. Now, the area will be half modulus. Sir, multiply all these orders. 4 5s are 20 plus 12, 32 minus 9, 23 plus 2, 25. Minus. Opposite order, sir. 24, 45. 24 and 45 will be how much? 45, एक second. For 45 plus 24. 45, 20, 65, 69. 69 plus 2, 71. 71 minus 4 is how much? 71 minus 4 will be sir 67. देखो blank हो गया. So half. Again modulus है तो it doesn't matter. So 67 minus, so it is 40, 42, sir. It is 42. So again the answer will be sir 21. The answer will be sir. गलत कर दिया क्या मैंने कुछ? एक second. Have I made any error? एक second. 5 4s are 20, 32. 32 plus 2, 34. 34 minus this, 25. हाँ ठीक है. 24 and sir this is 1. 45. 45, 24 and 125. This is 70. हाँ गलत कर दिया सर मैंने. गलत कर दिया मैंने सर. 70 this one minus 4. 66 will be this. अरे यार. Sir, it will be 66. So that will means it will be 41. So 20.5, sir. 20.5 will be the answer. 20.5, sir. Option number A. Option number A, sir. My mistake calculation. I told you now like somehow in the second line I just got blank. And I just got a call. I was saying like who called, and for a second I just got blank. Chalo. Sir, the angle of elevation from a point on a ground, top of the pole is given, height is given, distance between this is given. Acha sir, it's very simple. Sir, right angle triangle actually. Sir, the angle of elevation 30 degree. Height is x plus 5. It's very simple. Distance between the top of the pole, this one, and the ground, acha, this hypotenuse is given. This one. So I can say, please understand, sir. 30 meaning, sir, this is 1 unit. 30 meaning, sir, please understand this. This is 1 part. This is 2 parts, sir. And this is root 3 parts, sir. Understand, sir. If this is 1, this is 2. That means this is double of this. So my equation can I write 7x minus, sir, 105, meaning 7 into 15. That is equal to double of this, because this is 2, this is 1. So this is double, meaning this is x plus 5, sir. Double of that. So this is 2x. It will come this side. It will become 5x. 105, 10, 115. So x is 23, sir. X is equal to 23. So that means this height is 28. 28 meters is the height of the pole. Now they are asking distance. So if this is 20, so 1 unit is 28 meters, root 3 units will be 28 root 3 meters. That is my answer. Option number C, sir. Option number C. Option number C, 28 root 3 is my correct answer. You see, not very difficult. Again, I told you 30, 60, 90 triangle will be a lifesaver always. If you don't know, learn how to solve it. It will be very, very, very fast. It will always be very fast. Chalo, next one. Next one, sir. There are 2 boxes, K and L. Box K contains 2 red pens and 3 blue pens. Acha. K. Red pens 2, blue pens 3. Sir, box L is there, which contains 4 red pens. Red pens 4, blue pens 2, sir. One of the box are selected at random, sir. The pen is drawn from it. What is the probability that pen is red? So there are two parts. देखो, I am selecting. What is the probability of selecting either of the boxes? So there are two boxes. So probability is 1/2 of selecting either K or L. Let's say I've selected K. So now after selecting the box, I need to select a red pen. So that probability 2 out of total 2 plus 3, 5 plus. Second case, sir, again I'm selecting another bag, that is half. Now I've selected L, the box L, not bag but box. Now again red pen I need, that is 4 out of 4 plus 2, 6. Sir, khatam, that's my answer. 2 and 2, that is 1/5 plus this is 2, 2, 2, 3, that is 1/3. So this is 15, 8/15 is the answer, sir. 8/15 is my correct answer. Again, option number 1 only. Option number 1 only, sir. You see, not a very difficult question. Not a very difficult question, sir. I hope this is clear. Hope this is clear, sir. Moving on then. Moving on then. Chalo, chalo, chalo. Shopkeeper marks an item this much above the cost price. Sir, CP is 100 rupees or 100x rupees. Why? Because there is a value I can see. Sir, MP will be what? MP will be, sir, 132x. On that, discount of 30%, meaning SP will be 132x into 30% discount means 70%, that is 7/10. That SP is given as 508.2. Sir, hata do isko. 10 cancels. So they are asking CP, meaning I need 100x ka value. Sir, 7 sevens are 49, 7 twos are 14, 7 six are this. So this is 132. Sir, 6 times तो नहीं जा रहा है. रुको, it's not divisible. 4 से करो. 11 से जाएगा, 1166 है, 11 से जाएगा. Sir, 11 12s of this, 1166. 6 twos, 6 11s. So x is 11 divided by 2. So 100x is 11 into 50, sir. That is 550, sir. 550. Option number C is most definitely my correct answer. You see, again, not a very difficult question. Not a very difficult question. Very easily it can be done. It can be done very, very easily. Next one, sir. Ratio of 3 numbers given. Acha, sir, first M and P. Sir, M and P. Sir, how to figure out? Sir, 1/2 ratio, 2/3 ratio, 3/4. If you are stuck here, na, always remember, multiply the by this. So 4, 3, 12. So 12 is the LCM of the denominators, multiply. So this will become 6. 3 4s, 4 2s are 8. Sir, 4 3s, 3 3s are 9. So this is the M and P ratio. Now I need the ratio to be 12, 10, 9. All are bigger. एक काम करो sir. 60, 80, 90 I'm taking. ठीक है? Because calculation will be easier because percentage. Chalo, now I have to give trial and error. I have to go for trial and error. ठीक है? If you want, you can take 600, 800, 900 as well. Works. Increasing M by 25%. 25% meaning 1/4. So 25% meaning 15. So it becomes 75. Now you see, I need this to become 12. So 75, is that a multiple of 12? The answer is no. So from 75, we can never get 12. So this is absolutely wrong. Because it is an even number, this is an odd number. 100% wrong, sir. So A cannot be the answer. B, increasing M by 60%. So if I do that, 60% means 6 6 is 36. So it will become 96. Acha, N, decreasing P by 20. Acha, that means N is constant. N is 80. I can see this 12 and 10 ratio aa gaya, sir, already. 20%. 9 twos are 18 less. 18 less means 72. This is the answer. So this is 12 and 8. Sorry. Sir, 8 12s are this, na? So 8 se karoge to 12s are this, 8 10s are this, 8 9s are this. You see, 12 ratio 10 ratio 9. That is my answer then. option B is making this ratio 60 ratio 80 ratio 90, it is converting that into 12 ratio 10 and ratio 9. So definitely my correct answer is option B. Again, a little play with the options gave us our answer. Gave us our answer. Average between these two numbers divisible by 6. Sir, whenever you see this, I told you the concept of AP you always use. So just right after 22, which number is divisible by 6? Sir, 24. Just right before 45, which number is divisible by 4, like 6? Sir, 42. Right? So in an AP, sir, in an AP, average कैसे निकालता है? Sir, when I've given you the formula for figuring out the sum, n by 2 into a1 plus an. You remembered I have shown in my batches, I've shown you the proof. Okay, this is nothing but n into average. This comes from n, this is the Laplace, like Laplace did it like this. Actually, this line, then from this line, actually we get this line. So average is first plus last by 2 always. Or again, you can do second plus second last by 2. Anything you do, AP average will always remain the same. Sir, first is this, last is this. Average, can I say? Just take the average of these two, sir. So this is 24, 66, 33 is the answer, sir. So average will most definitely be option number A, which is 36, sir. Which is 36. I don't need to do a lot here. I do not need to do a lot here. Option A is most definitely my correct answer. Done. Next one, sir. P can do 1/3 of the work in this. So PQ and there is another person R. Chalo. Efficiency ratio 1/3 in 24 minutes, meaning total work in 72 minutes. So efficiency is 1 by 72. Q can do it in 2 hours, twice the work, meaning the whole work in 1 hour, meaning 60 minutes. So 1 by 60. R is 33 whole 1 by 3% more efficient than R, so than Q. So meaning, sir, if Q's efficiency is 3, this is 1 more, meaning 4. Acha. एक काम करते sir. Before I write Anna, sir, let's do this. 5 12s, 6 12s. So this is 5 ratio 6. Now Q is 6. So 3 into 2. So R will be, sir, can I say 8? This is the efficiency ratio. Just kind of I have kind of taken this two inside. I put this inside this. So PQR, every ratio I know. I know every ratio. Now, sir, total work. Sir, you take anybody, sir, I'm taking P. It can do 5 units a day, a minute, taking 72 minutes to complete. So that means 360 units is the total work, sir. 360 units. Now, how much will PQR take? So 38%. 38% means 38 by 100 into total work is 360. Who will do this? All three together. 5 plus 6 is 11 plus 8 is 19, sir. So 19 twos are this. So this 0 0 gone. Sir, ये ना करते तो अच्छा होता 2. So 72 by 10, sir. So 7.2 minutes will be the answer. 7.2 minutes will most definitely be the answer, which is there in option number 2, sir. In option number 2, you see. It is there in option number, D. Option number 3. Perfect, everyone? Perfect. Next one, sir. 2 cylinders, ratio of the base given, ratio of volume given. Sir, I've done this question, I guess, 90 times at least. Right? Sir, volume is equal to, sir, in case of cylinder, pi r square into h. So pi cancels. So volume ratio is r square ratio into h ratio. So I need h ratio, the ratio of heights. So height ratio will be what, sir? Volume ratio divided by r square ratio. Sir, volume ratio is given 16 by 81 by r square ratio is what, sir? 2 square by 3 square, meaning 4 by 9. 16 by 4, 4. This is 9. So 4/9, 4:9 is the answer. Option number D, sir. Option number D is the correct answer. Option number D is your correct answer. I told you this ratio concept you learned, it is very, very, very handy. It is definitely very handy, sir. If you understand, you don't need to then do all the the whole question most of the time. So next one, three positive numbers such that 30% of A is equal to 35% of B. Percentage cancels. Sir, 5, 6, 5, 7s. So A divided by B is 7 divided by 6. Understood? Value of C by 2 is total of A plus B. Sir, C is then twice of A plus B, 6 plus 7, that is 13, sir. So 26 units. That is equal to 520, sir. So 1 unit will be how much? Sir, 20. So value of B is 6 units. That will be, sir, 120. Again, sir, as simple as it can get, option B is the answer. Option B is the correct answer, sir. Done, done, done. देखो, 2 minutes में question बन रहा है. 2 minutes में. Next one. Still water, the speed of A is 50% more than speed of B. Speed of boat A. Sir, let us do it like this. Speed means x of A. We generally write x means speed of the boat. Ratio x of B. This is 50% more. Meaning, sir, if this is 2, then this is 3, sir. And 9 times the speed of the current. Acha, sir. So if this is 1, sir, then this is 9. Acha. If this is 9, that means I am multiplying this. I am multiplying this by 3. So I need to multiply the same with 3 as well. So this is XA, XB and Y. Now it can I can do anything. I can do actually literally anything. Ratio of downstream distance covered by A in 6 hours. So downstream speed will be 9 plus 1, 10. 6 hours means 60 kilometers. And to the upstream covered by B, upstream speed is 5 into 9 hours, 45, sir. Sir, 15 fours, 15 threes. That's your answer. 4:3, option number B. Option number B, 4:3 is most definitely your correct answer. You see, couple of lines only. Couple of lines only, sir. Right? Moving on. The length of the common chord intersecting circles. Okay. It is 8. Acha. 5 and 6, meaning, sir, the circles are not equal. The circles are not equal, sir. So, एक छोटा है, एक थोड़ा बड़ा है, sir. Correct? So, let's say these are the, so common chord is this one. Now, they are asking this center, C1, C2, let's say center. Acha, sir. Understand this, sir. Sir, 5 and 6, it's okay. Now, they are saying, acha, this is 8, the whole thing. So, acha, this is 90, so that means this will be 4, this will be 4, sir. It's very simple. So this is the smaller, this is the bigger. So this has 6 centimeter, this is 5 centimeter. So very simply, if you take this triangle, this one, sir, this is 4, this is 5, so this must be 3 because it's a right angle triangle, it is a triplet. It is a triplet. Now again, if I say this is M point, so C2M will be how much? Sir, I know this side is 4. So it will be root over of 6 square minus 4 square. 36 minus this, so root 20. 20 means 2 root 5. So the distance will be 3 centimeters here and 2 root 5. So 3 plus 2 root 5 centimeter. That is the distance between two centers. Option C. Option number C, sir. Option number C, as you guys can see. It's very simple. Again, always, whenever you get common chord question, always equate this. And these two are equal in case of if the circles, both the circles are of same size, then you can just figure out one side, the second opposite side, it's a mirror image. So both are equal. So one side is 3, meaning other side will also be 3. So you just multiply by 2, you will get your answer. You don't need to do like two sides separately. Two tangents, AB and AC, drawn to a circle, this. Achha. External points. right? External point A, center O, sir. Okay, got it. So this is AB and this is AC, sir, 90 degrees. This is 60 degree inclined. Find the AOC. AOC, acha. This angle, sir. Acha. Sir, understand, if this is 60, 90, 90, so this whole angle is 120, sir. Because ABOC, that's a like quadrilateral, total is 360. Out of that 90, 90, 180 gone. So these two angles, sum must be 180. So this is 60, so this has to be 180. And sir, these two triangles, now they are actually congruent. I've proved it. They are equal from every angle. So meaning, can I say this angle must be equal to this angle? So total 120, meaning both sides will be 60 each. So AOC is 60, sir. AOC will most definitely be 60 degrees, sir. AOC will most definitely be 60 degrees, sir. Again, very simple. Again, very simple. Now again, median is this. How many data points, sir? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Meaning fourth one and the fifth one, the like the average of that is median. So 5p plus 6p, 11p. 18 minus 34. 1834 meaning sir 16, right? This thing divided by 2 is a median, which is 168. So value of p they are asking. Okay, 11p divided by 2 is equal minus 8. So this will go that side. It will become 176, sir. 176. So 11 se cancel karo, so this is 16. So p will become 32, sir. P will become 32, option number B, sir. Option number B. Now again, if you see, I have intentionally 168 मैंने नहीं किया. Time अगर किसी को लग जाए तो. See, I've done the calculation in a different manner. Acha, mode they are asking, sir. Again, I guess this is the easiest question. The most repetition. Sir, as I can see, 8 and 12 बहुत बार देखिए. 12 can be the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 12s. 8 dekhte sir. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sir, 8 is the answer, sir. 8 is 5 times. 12 is 4 times. So again, 8 is most definitely my answer. Because those two were the only options. Those two were the only options, sir. Next one. When the perpendicular distance between two lines are the same, the lines are parallel to each other, sir. You see, there is one line, there is another line. Perpendicular distance always remains the same, sir, in these cases. Right? That is the definition itself of the parallel lines. So definitely it was a free hit question. It was a free hit question. You maro chakka. Right? Sir. 2 successive years at a compound interest, the interest earned at this. Acha. So always take difference, method of difference we'll use. So the difference is 900 rupees, meaning 900 rupees is interest for 1 year. On what? Principal is what? Always the previous year. So 4500 ke upar, on 4500 rupees, we got 1 year's interest as 900 rupees. So rate of interest. So this is your rate of interest. So this is 1.5. So this is 20%, sir. They are asking principal. Sir, this question is wrong. This question is wrong, sir. Okay? Understand why wrong? Question wrong, sir. If it was said, correct it, sir. In first 2 consecutive or successive years, this is this. Then the question is correct. They have to give you which 2 years. Principal, if they're asking, then it has to be first 2 years. Otherwise, it's impossible. If 2 successive years means it can be 5th year and 6th year. Then also this in rate of interest is correct. For every year, it will be this. But again, if I need principal, then I need to know the first, it has to be first 2 years. I guess that has to be the answer. Like that is what they are asking. So just add this to your question. This is technically a little like kind of difficult or right, like wrong. So 20% is this. 20% is this, right? Acha sir. So again, that means first 2 years means this is first year's interest. This is second year's interest or 2 years after interest. So first year interest only we need. First year interest will be 20% itself because 1 year only has gone by. 20% is 4,500. So 100% is the principal, which is 4,500 into 5, sir. So this is 225,000, sir. 225,000 option A. But again, technically, that first 2 years, it has to be mentioned. Otherwise, it's wrong. Otherwise, it is wrong, sir. I guess this is the answer, yeah. You see, this itself is the answer. But again, technically, it's wrong. Chalo, next one. A right square pyramid with base age is this, height is this, melted and recasted, meaning, sir, volume, sir. Volume of the pyramid 1/3 into 16 square base area into height is 6. Recasted into cube, sir, a cube. 3 2s are this. 16 square 256, 2s are 512. Sir, which is 8 cube. So A is 8, sir. So age of the cube is 8. Again, very simple. Option number A is the answer. Again, one line. One line only. You can only get in trouble if you don't know the pyramid formula. That's the only thing that can get you in trouble. Right? Chalo, next one. Shopkeeper marked the price of some quantity 60% above CP. Okay. 3/4 of this, acha, sir. CP is 100 rupees. Sir, again, I'm not taking 100xy because you see no value is mentioned here. So 100 is okay. So MP will be, sir, MP 60%. So this is CP, sir. So MP will be 160. Right? Cells 3/4. 3/4 of this. Sir, 1/4 is 40, 3/4 is 120. 120 rupees, 10% discount. 10% discount means a 12 rupees discount, meaning 108 rupees. This is SP, sir. So remaining will be 40 rupees worth of product. Remaining quantity at 15% discount. 15% of this 15, so 6 rupees discount. 6 rupees, so it will be 36 rupees. That is SP. So total SP is, sir, 146, 612, so 44 rupees. This is the total SP. Right? अच्छा, total SP, sir. एक सेकंड, मैंने गलत नहीं किया ना? एक सेकंड, कुछ गलत कर दिया मेरे को लग रहा है. Discount of 6 rupees. हाँ देखा, गलत कर दिया सर. 6 rupees discount will be 34. 6 rupees discount will be 34. So this is 142 rupees. Now they are asking overall profit. Sir, 100 ka mal. This is 100 rupees CP selling for 142. Profit is, sir, 42%. Profit is, sir, 42%. You don't need any calculation for that. Option B most definitely is your correct answer. Again, just a little calculation was what was required, sir. Sir, coefficient of variation. अरे ये तो बहुत simple है. Mean is given, sir, CV. Coefficient of variation is SD by mean into 100%. This is 18%. So 18 is SD by mean. SD is 30 by, sorry, SD is not 30. क्या पागल हो की तरह. Sir, SD I know. I don't know. I need to variance. I need to find variance, sir. SD I don't know. Mean is 30 into 100, sir. 0, 0. So SD is going to be 54 by 10, 5.4. So variance will be SD square. So 25 say, sir, thoda zyada. अच्छा, you can use base method as well. 54 square कितना होता है, sir? 16, sir, 25 plus that is, sir, 29. 29.16 will be the answer to get the exact square. If you want, but again, थोड़ा इधर उधर करके भी कर सकते हो. Option C is the answer. Option C is most definitely the answer. Right? Very simple, very simple. Again, next one. Next one, sir. Value of this, again, acha. Nobody should try to do this. ये मत करते चलना. 143 का स्क्वायर निकालते सर. It's an algebra question, very very evident. Sir, 143 square plus. Sir, out of these two, na, let's do one thing. Sir, 144 ko I'm writing 143 plus 1, sir. Yeah. So it is now 143 plus this one I've written 143 plus 1. So ultimately 2 into 143 plus 1. I'm just writing it. 2 into 143 plus 1. Sir, can you see a square plus 2ab plus b square? So it will be 143 plus 1 whole square. So this is under the square root sign. So this is under the square root sign, sir. So that means the answer will be 144. So my answer will be option number C, which is 144, sir. Moving on, again, very simple. Yes, Abhijit, 144 is most definitely your correct answer, brother. Achha. A running track consists of a rectangular section with semicircular ends on both shorter sides, okay? So this is shorter sides, achha, sir, like this. It's like a basketball court, rather. It looks like a basketball court. Right? Now, area of the two semicircle area, meaning, sir, one circle, two equal semicircles. Because you see, it's based on like the smaller sides. Sides are equal. And now sides, so radius is like, sir, b divided by 2, sir. Breadth by 2 is the radius, sir. Breadth divided by 2, that is, sir, your radius. Please understand, everyone. This is your radius. Correct? Now both are equal. So ultimately it is nothing but like one complete circle. One complete circle. Now this is 40% of the total rectangle. So again, very simple. Sir, pi r square. Pi into r square is 40%, meaning 2 by 5 of L into B, sir. This is given. This is given. So because it's two semicircle means one circle. That is why pi r square. So pi means, pi is there. So don't put value of pi. R is b square by 4. That is 2 by 5 into L into b by, sorry, b is. Sorry, sir, it's b. It is b itself. This color you guys can see, na? Yeah. So b cancels. So again, L by b. They're asking what? Length to width. Width. B means this, huh? I have taken something wrong. Yeah, W lena tha, I have taken B. Because that's, we are so very much habituated. So L by B is, so this will be 5 pi divided by 8. That is my answer. 5 pi by 8, which is option number 1. Which is option number 1. You see, not a huge calculation or something, just a like couple of steps. Just a couple of steps, sir. Right? So again, next one, sir. Next one, please. Sir, again, age-related questions. Summer's age 4 years ago minus 4 is 3 more than Sujit's age 2 years hence. Sorry. Sujit ka, I have to write something else, otherwise we'll get confused. Sujit's age 2 years hence. So summer is Sujit plus 5 and sir 4, 9, sir. Done. Nishant is 7 years younger than Summer. This is done. Achha. Sum of Sujit and Nishant is how much? 50 years. Summer's age I need to find Summer's age. 2 or 3 equations I know. Summer, I need S, na. So एक काम करते हैं, sir. Put this value into this equation. So SU plus, instead of n, I'm writing S minus 7. So S minus 7 will go that side, so it will become 57, sir. Write this in here. So SU, so from here, I can write SU, Sujit will be 57 minus S. This one, from here, can I write SU will be S minus 9, sir? So these two are equal because both are equal to SU. So can I write 57 minus S is equal to S minus 9? So 2S is equal to 57 plus 9 is how much? 66, right? So S is 33, sir. Summer is 33. So which is option number D, sir? Which is option number D? That's your correct answer. That is your correct answer, sir. Next one, sir, no solution. No solution means parallel lines, meaning the slopes are equal. Meaning A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, as simple as that. So 3 by 4 equal to B1 is K divided by, this is 5, sir. So K is 15 divided by 4. So 3.75, C. 3.75 if you want to write this in terms of decimal. 3.75, again a very simple. Very simple question. Next one, sir. Penultimate question. The cost of setting up a magazine is this. Cost of miscellaneous is this. 80 per copy, 160 per copy is printing. 2000 copies were printed. Achha, total printing is printing plus miscellaneous. 80 paisa, 1, so 240. Total 2000 copies. Okay, so this is at this is 20, so 4800 rupees, sir. This is printing cost plus fixed cost is 2800. So total cost, sir, it will be 4800 plus 2800. So 4850 plus 26, that is 7600, sir. This is cost. Now 1500 copies were sold at 5 rupees each. So sales I'm just writing. 15 fives are 75. So 7500 rupees I got from there. A total of 25% profit was realized. Achha, 25% profit on what? On definitely this. Achha, on the sale price. Achha, sale price may 25%, meaning sir, profit was 25% means 1/4. So 4, 18s are 72, 5s are this. So 1850 rupees का sir profit होना है. This much profit I need to, like we need to make. But again, still, till now, we are moving at a loss of 100 rupees. Dekho, because 7600 rupees is the total cost, we have only recuperated 7500, meaning 100 rupees loss still. Now, there is one more source of income is advertising. How much? Sir, this much I need profit plus I have to cover the 100 rupee loss. So advertising revenue will be, sir, 1850 plus 100, that is 1950 rupees, which is not there. हाँ, ये रुको, 18 हमने ना कुछ गड़बड़ कर दिया. 4 8 18 से 72, अरे 3 था, sorry sir, sorry. 4 18s are 72, 34 sevens. Sir, this is 75. Arey yaar. So 1975 will be the answer. Calculation mistake, sir. Option number B. Option number B is the answer. Extremely sorry. Yes, Avijit. Thank you. So last question of the day. Sir, value. Sir, again. Root 5 is there. I told you if you see something like this, if the denominator after rationalization is 1, you just write its complement. Root 5 minus 2 ke jagah root 5 plus 2. Here also the rationalization is 1, you just write root 5 minus 2. Now minus into minus, it will become plus. Just calculate, sir. 4 plus root 5 will be the answer. है क्या? Option number B में देखो बैठा है. Option number B, 4 plus root 5 will most definitely be your correct answer. And we have completed all 50 questions, all 30 questions rather. Now, again, is this clear? I hope if like this week's mock, I felt it was pretty simple. It was pretty doable, pretty simple, right? So, with that being said, I hope you enjoyed the techniques and the things. So, if you have, please do like the session, and if you have any comments, any queries, any feedback, feel free to use the comment section for that. I'll be more than happy to reply to your comments. So, thank you so much. That will be all from my end. I'll see you guys this week with the like the beginners foundation classes. So, thank you so much. Take care. Goodbye.